Hey everyone, I had my roof cleaned. I could not believe how filthy it was until after it was cleaned. Here's a view of the house, and you can't really see the roof from the street unless you're driving pretty far down the street. My wife and I really noticed it when we were coming down the canal, and it just looked horrible. So we hired this guy, and it's a no pressure roof cleaning. So basically he leans over from a ladder with this large wand and sprays this awful chemical all over it. You'd think it would kill your plants, but he wets them down really well. So it's been about 3 or 4 days, and none of the plants have died, so that's really great. But I'll show you how he does it. I'll give you a before view from the drone and an after view, and then a little bit of an action shot of how he's actually doing it. I also included his name and number. You know, if you're in the Southwest Florida area and you need your roof cleaned, I'd recommend him. But anyway, check out the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Just got a new house. We're gonna do some garage projects on this house. We're gonna do some boat projects. We're gonna do some dock projects, and I'll take you through all of them. So please subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. Whew, it's hot as freaking Africa out here. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, I had to show you a few pictures here in the beginning. Here's the before. It is dirty, check. Didn't realize how dirty until there. Look at that. Crazy, right? I mean, it's unbelievably different. Just mind blowing. Here's the name of the company, Window Cleaning also, and Roof Cleaning. Got COVID safety there. There's his number. His name's Pete, and I'll take you up here over the house. And this first shot here is some video of him kind of almost done. That area over that garage there is not done yet, but almost the rest of it is. So the whole second floor is done. And then when you when I come around here, you'll see where he was working. He kind of throws his hoses up on the roof and then pulls them from the other side so he can position the wand that he uses to spray everything. I'll show you that in a minute. But he makes it so that he can just inch the ladder all the way around the house. And then to get the second floor, he just positions the ladder in a way, minimal roof walking is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, you can see the front right garage there. That front right roof in the picture now is not done. There's a little spot there on the second floor that needs to be done, but everything else is pretty much done. The design of this house, I know I'm going to get some questions. What the heck is that flat spot? This house was designed to have a turret-style window up there, almost like a little third floor lookout. And I could add that at any time. It's the trusses are all braced in there, so it's kind of like a hallway up in the attic. I doubt we're going to do it, but here's a view before he really started in on it. You can just see how the back side of the house is just full of mold and filth. And, if I did this again, I would probably wet down a little bit more the bushes and the grass, because we did get a little bit of burning on the grass. And then I'll show you also in the video at the end, my grill cover got bleached a little bit. And, I think that's my fault, because I really had no idea what to expect. So if you have this done, get anything away from the house that you don't want bleach on. Anyway, here's how he does it. You can see he stays pretty near his ladder and just kind of braces himself there, and then wets down the bushes first. You'll see that in a minute. So that wand that he's using has 2 hoses on it. One is just water, and you can see here he's wetting the bushes down. And then the other one is this chlorine solution. He sprays it on, and it literally disappears almost instantly. It foams up this kind of yellowy orange foam, And then for the most part dries. Of course, it's Florida, it's freaking Africa hot, and the heat on the roof just causes it to almost evaporate and dry immediately, so you get very, very little runoff. When you do get the runoff, though, is when it rains. So we had a big rainstorm right after this, which is perfect because it really washed all of that chlorine off, and we were seeing suds coming out of the gutters, but it wasn't enough to kill the plants because there was enough water to dilute it so that, you know, we just had a little patch of grass in the back, I'll show you that, and just a couple of bushes that just got a little superficial burning, but for the most part, we were fine. And you can see just in the course of shooting this video, I mean, it's obviously in real time, that those stains are gone. He's got to get back up there and get that little spot there before he leaves, but it's just incredible. And there's no pressure, so there's no risk of cracking tiles or blowing out concrete or affecting that membrane that's underneath. It's really, you know, soft. They call it a soft clean, and this is why. Just let you kind of see the whole thing there. And that's really all there is to it. So I will say, get everything that you do not want bleached away from your house. My Traeger cover got a little bleached, which is a total bummer. I'd consider this my fault because I did not move it. I mean, it did not occur to me. I was really just worried about the plants. And even though I did say that nothing was damaged, as far as the plants go, there's a little bit of grass right over here that is taking a beating. Fortunately, it's raining every day, but that Traeger cover now is a nice shade of teal on top. It's hard to see in the video. Anyway, move the stuff away from your house that you do not want to get bleached. And that's it for this video. Here's another view of the finished product, and you can see the cars there in the median. I did have the sense to get the cars away. But anyway, if you have this done, this is what to expect, and kind of a bird's eye view that you probably wouldn't normally get. Thanks, as always, for watching. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for more random videos.